Hi! In front of me is Nokia 110 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, click on this left button over here and select calendar. After that, pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, choose ringtone, tap on repeat mode and select one of the options, and even pick one of your recordings as incoming melody when your event will begin. When you're done, click on this left button over here to save your event. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on it, select it, and click on this left button over here. Then choose delete and confirm your choice by tapping on yes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!